Good morning guys, it's Bouncing Fig here. It's super early in the morning. It's a Saturday morning. I have not been out for breakfast for so long, and today I really wanted to go out, see one of my girls, and have a lovely breakfast at Subang Ria, which is really an institution in PJ. There's Yong Tau Foo, and you know, a lot of Malaysians come together here no matter what race you are. It's absolutely halal, and you know, I'm really looking forward to it. So let's see what we can have for breakfast. I'm so excited. What's your name, sir?
Mr. Money.
Mr. Money. How long have you been doing this?
This one 10 years already.
10 years here?
Yeah.
Minced mutton. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna try Uncle Mani's chapati, and it seems that it is super famous. People who come here, they will definitely order the chapati. It's homemade. The vegetable curry is something that you must buy and try. And we got the Kheema, which is basically a lamb, sort of minced lamb stew with lots of spices, and usually it is a secret spice blend. So every family has one, and Uncle Mani's family definitely has one. Look at that, you've got to dip it so that it's all soaked up. Oh, it's so good! I left the chapati here for about 15 minutes and it's still soft. It's really soft. The lamb is nice and lean, it's not fatty. And the spices are so clean and homemade. I think that's the most important thing. And look at this beautiful vegetable masala. I'm just gonna scoop a little bit here. Doesn't get as natural as that. There are lots of vegetable curry or masala dishes everywhere. Big chains, they're good too. But if you want something really made from home, you've got to check this out. Awesome, Uncle Mani. It's the bomb. Berapa lama dah sini?
30 tahun kan.
Nama siapa?
Nama Amir. Bagi pukul 8 start sampai pukul 4. Saya punya atur dari Penang. Tiga saja.
Resepinya daripada atur ke?
Ya, atur. Atur dengan bapa lah. Ini minggu ni mama mesti mau garing-garing kamu sedap.
Garing?
Garing lah yang sedap.
Dia letak sos ya?
Ini saya punya atur punya resipi ya. Dia sendiri buat punya. Tak ada pakai itu lain tempat, pakai chili sauce ke, soy sauce ke, macam ini pakai. Saya tak ada pakai ini. Saya pakai itu saya punya special sambal saja.
I get super excited when we eat mee mama or fried mama noodles, and you can find it anywhere. You know, everyone has their own recipe, but again, for Amir and his family, they've been around here for some time and they've perfected the recipe, and usually it's found in Penang. So I love mee mama. So you can see bits of fritters, and you've got bean sprouts, and I asked him to make mine a bit spicy. I added fried chicken, right? Oh yeah. You can taste, in Chinese they call it wok hei, which is the smokiness of the wok, and that is an art. Not everybody could do that. And for bad mee mamas, I usually put chili sauce, but for this one, you do not need to put that.
Dekat sini kita start bulan 7 hari tu, so lebih kurang 7 bulan lah. Abang dia orang Melaka.
Oh, Melaka?
Punya.
Oh, serious?
Yeah.
Serious?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Original bagusnya. Kat sini kalau yang famous sotong lah, dan sambal ikan bilis petai.
Oh, this is sambal ikan bilis petai ya? Oh, wow.
Sambal kerang.
Oh, yang ni pun macam, dia macam ala-ala rendang sikit. Oh, wow. Okay, so we got the nasi lemak, and my favorite is with kerang, which is they're just cockles, and it's in a spicy sauce. And the unique thing about this place is it has sambal petai, which is string bean sambal. Oh, this is good. This is the kind of nasi lemak that you get maybe like 20 years ago in your neighborhood. This is really old school. A lot of the nasi lemak from the south of Malaysia has the vegetables and you know, it's the sambals are very different, not too sweet, and it's definitely spicy because in the south they love spicier sambals. This is a nasi lemak you've got to put in your plan to come and eat because it is really traditional from my point of view. I absolutely love it. Got Rozita and Abang Rafiq. It's really, really delicious.